Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Titi. I am from Botswana. Thank you so much for checking this out. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Who doesn't like Kim Monada? You know, this guy has gone viral like so many times, and is one of the people that I guess overcame the odds, because they say you never go viral so many times, but he has. And his music is beautiful, funny, just enjoyable in general, you know. So yeah, Kim Monada all the way from South Africa. If you don't know Kim Monada, I don't know, like you are just as old as me, because that means you are not on the internet. He's been his songs have been played in China. Like that's how far his music have gone. Anyway, I don't want to remind you, just go to his YouTube page. You'll see songs of his that have gone viral globally, not just in South Africa. So basically, this song is talking about I'm just gonna give him a title. Say he's an uncle. It's like he goes, gets drunk, he gets drunk, but still drives, gets home, and you know, he hit the gate. Like he can see the house is there. He made it home, but it's just the gate that gives him a problem. Even when he's drunk, he cannot park his car. So Kim Monada is the one that parks his car. So that's basically what he is saying in this song. Like, I'm the one who's parking his car. So hold on here. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the song, what he said. Yeah, Tenamo is like, enter here. No. Go back. You're about to hit something. Go back. Go to the... It's a beautiful song, man. If you understand the language. Hey.
tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo. Well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw. Tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo. Ya bomba, 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 bomba. I got it, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo, tena mo. Well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw, watuma, well I'm raw. Namelon, 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 namelon. Ya bomba, 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 bomba. Follow up, 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 follow up.
Yeah, man, this song is beautiful. I wonder how old is it now? Like maybe 4 or 5 years. Still hits, man. In Setswana we have a saying like Ina Libi Soroma, like this guy called himself King Monada and he became a king with his own style of music. So that's beautiful. That's talent. Like I said, he's one of the guys that have gone viral so many times. A lot of people around the world have listened to his music, have loved his whatever he's saying, his songs. It's funny, it's beautiful, it's talent. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side.